Heading to Italy? Need your Indian documents apostilled? I've got you. First, know this. Italy is in the Hague Apostille Convention. That means no embassy legalization, just an MEA apostille in India. Step 1. Identify your document type. Personal, birth. Personal, marriage. Personal, PCC. Educational, degree. Educational, mark sheets. Commercial, invoices. Commercial, COO. Commercial, board resolutions. Step 2. Pre-authentication. Personal pre-auth, notary if needed. Personal pre-auth, State Home Department or SDM attestation. SDM is usually faster. Educational pre-auth, university verification if required. Educational pre-auth, State HRD or SDM. State HRD can take longer. Commercial pre-auth, Chamber of Commerce attestation. Step 3. MEA apostille. MEA submission, outsourced collection centers. MEA submission, e-sanad for eligible documents. You'll get a sticker with a QR code the Italian side can verify. Step 4. Translation. Italy often wants an Italian translation by a sworn, authorized translator. Do the apostille first, then translate so every stamp is reflected. Some offices may also ask for a translator's declaration. Timelines. SDM routes can be 2 to 5 working days. State HRD can be 7 to 15 plus depending on university checks. MEA apostille is usually same or next working day once pre-attested. Costs. Government fees are modest. Most of what you pay is service and courier. How value attestation services helps. Free document check and the right route for your case. Doorstep pickup. Notarization. State SDM attestation. And MEA submission. Italian sworn translations. Apostille after translation QA. Live tracking. Priority slots. Pan-India coverage. Final delivery to your address. Final delivery straight to your Italian university, employer if needed. Quick tips. Don't laminate originals. Names must match your passport. Keep PCC recent. Carry passport copies. Ready to get it done fast and clean? Reach out to Value Attestation Services, and I'll see you in Italy soon.